How to download old version of apps on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you whether we can download old version of apps on Android or not. Without further ado, let's get started. So, unfortunately, the Google Play Store doesn't allow it, but you don't need to worry. You simply need to follow the simple steps. Open any web browser on your device, for example, Google Chrome. Now you can easily open a new tab on this Chrome browser or any browser you have been using. You can easily go to optodown.com and visit the site for downloading APK files of Android apps. You can easily use search bar to find apps you want, and then you can tap on the older version, browse the available version and pick the one you need. So you can download it by the help of the download button and wait the process to finish. Once downloaded, you need to install APK on your phone. With that, you will successfully download older version of any Android apps. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.